So Dan, why would you choose a Kettle Mini?
The mini tap would be a good choice if you're in a couple of situations. A good example is someone who's already got an existing kitchen tap that they're happy with. They don't want to replace that tap, but they want to add filtered and boiling water to the mix. So you can put this on alongside the existing tap. That's one example. Another example is you've just had the kitchen done, but this is something that wasn't maybe factored in at the time. So this tap might have been in for 20 years and you want to add to it, or you've got a new installation and you're just missing that extra element. The last practical side thing of the installation is that the tap only needs a mains cold feed, so you're not worrying about mains cold and mains hot water pressure.
Right, okay, so if you've got a separate workspace or a utility room with a separate sink, you could have this one put along in there just to give you boiling water quite happily. Yeah,
it can be mounted away from the traditional family basin where you've got your mains hot and cold, so you could have it separately on an island, or you've got a dedicated sink that you want to use for boiling water and filtered water.
And talking about the location, I mean, we've got it installed there, but presumably you can have it installed pretty much anywhere around this vicinity?
Yeah, exactly, it's completely your choice. So here we've got a steel sink with a single mounting point, so it's not going to be very simple to bolt this on next to it, but the space between the sink and the splashback, for example, you can position it anywhere there, on the right or the left. It's really down to you, but if you've got an undermount sink, again, you've got a hole for the existing tap drilled in the worktop, and this one will go in the hole alongside it. It's really up to you.
Okay, and it's relatively straightforward to have it retrofitted alongside your existing kitchen tap?
Yeah, that's very simple to do. I mean, you need a hole for the tap, of course, and that's just a standard 35mm hole.
Right, okay.
So nothing special there. You don't need any extra clearance behind it, so it'll go in quite a small space. And you need a cold feed to go into the filter system and the boiler underneath. So that's just a spur on the mains cold, which again is a really simple plumbing task if you haven't already got one.